Yeah, so like as you can this I don't know if you can hear it. But I can. I don't know where it is. Okay, so before I'm gonna put the camera over there. Sideways. I don't know what I figured it out, I think. I think it's a pesticides truck, because I looked it up on Google. I hear it. I hear it. I can hear it. Okay, but I think, because I looked up on Google, I looked it up, but like, I think it's called, like, I just searched up buzzing truck at night. That's all I heard. Yeah, but it's weird. Because I haven't really seen any mosquitoes or any, like, annoying bugs since the pandemic started. And, like, it's clear. I don't know. The weird thing is, right? I said, why would a pesticides truck come, like, during a pandemic? You know what I'm saying? I know it's here somewhere. I literally heard it. So like I said, I think it's a pesticides truck. And oh my god. Yeah, I literally just heard it. And then is it gone? I don't know if it's gone or not. But it came early this time. Instead of like 12 a.m.-ish. Oh my god. Yeah, I want to cut to it until it returns. So yeah. There it is. Oh, this one. There it is. What is that? Sorry for the quality. What is that? What is that? Oh, of course I know what it is. It's a pesticides truck, so yeah. Well, I guess that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.